Let's talk about assumptions. Assumptions can get you in trouble. For example, Roundup is a common herbicide, non-selective herbicide that used to have glyphosate as its active ingredient. Now there are products called Roundup that have other active ingredients in them. This one has 3 different herbicides, 3 different active ingredients in it. This product is called Sevin. Carbaryl used to be the active ingredient, only active ingredient that you would find in Sevin. Now there are several products out there that have ingredients other than carbaryl in them. My point is, read the label, read and follow the label directions. You might learn something.